A ver, 36 huevos. So, vamos a empezar. Ok. 2 libras de chorizo de desayuno. Puerco, para que se ayude. Tengo mi mantequilla. Bon. Et il faut que vous sachiez que moi, je ne joue jamais avec le beurre. Il faut 2 chaque fois. Actually, I don't feel like it. Only crucial ingredient left is the damn butter. Ooh, add me up. We just gonna start it off. This is what I'm eating today, the 6-pack. You feel me? The 12-pack, dumbass. 6 times 2. 12 beef packets isn't like past insane, dog.
Number of sharing a deal is what it's telling me. But I have like a few of the ones that I'm already got booked is on here, so I want to switch them so I can get them cheaper. And then I found like some good back-to-backs, and I'm looking up all the dates and stuff because there's so many of them. I gotta go through each one for the dates.
Started off. Dear homework on cooking the eggs, but the pepper fell inside the eggs when it was mid-cooked. So now I'm just eating. Like, they bullshit, I ain't gonna lie. Pepper eggs. Now, mind you, this is about like 24 eggs. Yeah. Bro, move. This nigga's like DJ Khaled said, another one. Come on. The real egg scramble. And this is my designated pot for the metal utensils that can go on this. It's already been spoken about, so I don't want to hear the meat munching in the comments. Okay, cool. I fucked up with these. Love you, auntie. Simple. The good butter. I'm dead. Man, tell Willie it's all love. 100. Give auntie 1,400, but they mad I'm in the trash. Homemade butters. Yeah. 24 eggs. 2 things of butter, you feel me? The 6 packets of ramen noodles. Another 6 packet of ramen noodles. Fat bitch ribs. Over with. Big bust down.